big elevator, and I think it's the 80s or 90s edition at the Butler Institute of American Art at Youngstown State University, National Hall. This is a giant Montgomery elevator with Innovation Universal. I think it's Montgomery. No, it's an Akron elevator. It might be a third-party Montgomery. Basement. 2. The basement's locked in this one. There's open on the other one. Here, it's a huge elevator. I think it's doubles as a service elevator. Seems very slow. Here too. Oh, buzzer thing in there. Back on the 1. Water's locked. Akron Elevator, but I feel like it's a third-party Montgomery. That's a Dover stop, so that might be Adams done later. 985. The basic padded cab. It's a big elevator. Basement 1 are left, only 2 works. West Coast pads, these are newer pads, these are not original. This is probably from the 80s or early 90s. I'll check the records afterward. Certificate, it says a Canton Elevator, but so this might be a Canton installed by Akron. Here, Akron 1. Didn't take a long time. 6 people, I don't know if that's COVID or regular. Probably COVID, there's no reason for it otherwise. They're close enough to get.